Hi guys, this course will walk you through the fundamental concepts of HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, which is the standard language for creating web pages. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create simple web pages and understand the What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to structure content on the web. HTML elements tell a browser how to display content like text, images, and videos. How HTML works. HTML documents are text files that include special tags to define the structure and layout of a web page. The browser reads these tags to render the page. H1 to H6 heading tags. Purpose. These tags define headings in an HTML document. They represent different levels of headings, from the largest H1 to the smallest H6. Syntax. HTML. Open H1 tag type heading level and close tag. Saving and viewing the file. Save the file. Open any text editor, Notepad, VS Code, Sublime Text. Write the HTML code in the editor. Save the file with the .html extension. Windows, Mac, Linux. Click File, go to Save As. Use a name like example.html. Locate the saved file in your computer's directory. Double-click the file. This will open the file in your default web browser. Alternatively, right-click the file and choose Open with your preferred browser, example Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser. Quick tip. Any changes to the file require saving the file again before refreshing the browser to see updates. Wow, it's working well. Together, we completed our first HTML task. Stay updated. We'll tackle the next stage in the next video. Step by step, we'll climb the stairs and reach the destination of success. Thank you, everyone.